Hello friends, this is Gabriel of Favored Capital. This video is a sequel to the last one I did this morning. I published this morning, and I actually did the video on the 5th of January. Yeah. So in the last video, in one of the videos I published, I told you that Euro USD will get to this point, 2.9. My marker is already there. This is it, 2.9, and as of today by um 17 minutes past 10 on a Friday is at that point, and it's still going down. So, and Euro USD will still get down to this point at 2.6 before moving up. The idea of doing this video is to help you on a live trade to know what is going on in the market. Okay, so that's why I'm doing this video. If you watch at this point, Euro USD is still giving us a sell signal. Let's go to our 4 hours chart. We'll see what's going on there. Okay. Yeah, from our 4 hours, let me minimize it a little bit. From our 4 hours chart, yeah, we can see there is a slight difference of what is going on between our 4 hours chart and daily chart. It's very obvious considering the state of the state of the eurozone and the economic policy. It's very obvious that it's affecting their currency, and that is why you're seeing all this whole thing. And there is this other news from Daily FX that was telling us previously that during by the opening of January this year, that we should look forward for a very stronger US economy. Okay, and there is a serious problem. Apart from that, there is a serious problem going on with the eurozone, which I'm not really ready to tell you now, but I want you to go make the research on your own. Go to um go to Daily FX. You will get all this information. dailyfx.com. I did the video on that, I did the training on that in one of my videos. That is what I use to help me determine my forecast and my trade. And if you watch our parabolic SAR here, it is not lagging behind. Okay, but the truth is this: if you watch the whole thing, let's in daily chart, it's giving us a strong sell. Okay, these are 2.9, and our next move here is 2.7. Okay, and if you go to our 4 hours chart, is the same sell is still giving us. Okay, look at it, and it's still coming down. If you get to our 1 hour chart, let's see. This is how I analyze my market. You can see. That's what I'm telling you. It's still going to sell. Then 30 minutes chart, which will really give you a broader spectrum of what is happening with Euro USD. You can see it's just heading downwards. It's heading southwards. Okay, so placing a sell for Euro USD is sure. Okay, so for Euro USD, you still predict sell, and the next movement is 1.27. Okay, so let's go to our gold. As you can see, I already have a live trade here on gold going on. I placed a buy. This is my take profit. Okay, I told you that in my last video, in one of the videos I did, that the highest it could go southwards is this point and start moving upwards. As you can see, I placed my my buy at this point, and this is where I take my profit. That's about From this point is about 30 pips. Okay, look at it. Look at my goal. At this point in time, it's still moving against me a little bit, minus $10. Okay, that is it. Place a buy here, and this is where you place your take profit. Let's get to Swiss franc, USD Swiss franc. Okay, you can see here I also placed a sell. I also told you in my last video that it will only get to this point and start coming down again, and I place a sell now. Right now it's going against me with minus $35. Let's get to silver. This is a live trade. Yeah, if you get to a silver, the same thing. The market is a bit zigzag now. It's not steady. It's not in one direction. It's kind of steady. Okay, so place a buy, go long, and put your take profit at 30.10. Okay, so far so good. This is what I have for you for this video, and I wish you with all success. I wish you all success in anything you're doing in your trade and in any other thing you're doing. And remember, the purpose of doing this webcast, this video forecast, is to make sure that you become a professional trader. Okay, and mind you, my slogan in forex is patience. Patience is the success in forex. So make sure you are patient enough to wait for your market. Okay, like all these things now, somebody might say I'm losing at the end of the day, but to me it's not a loss. Okay, you find out by within 2 weeks time, all these things will peak, all these trade I place will peak, and they are very substantial to me. This one is about that's about, let's call it um it's about 100 pips that I placed here according to the calculation of silver USD. This is 30 pips. This is 300 pips. At the end of the day, I'm expecting about $400 within 2 weeks. That's the maximum I'm giving it. But it might appear that they will peak before then or after the 2 weeks. So just wait for it. So um I wish you success in every of your trade. And one more thing, let's look at our USD Japanese yen. Okay, I think there is a short sell here. I would advise anyone to place any trade for now for Japanese yen. There is um a funny game going on here at this point. If I were you, I wouldn't place any trade. I would like to go move all that you put in this trend. When it gets to this point, this point, and start coming down, if at all it's going to reach there, we'll place a trade. But there is every indication that at this point it will still go upward. If you by chance place a sell here, you might lose. You have to seriously wait for it. That's if you have enough capital that will take you throughout the period of your wait. Okay, by the time it gets to this point and start coming down. But placing a sell here is very risky, and that's it. I will advise you to wait for it to move all it can in this direction before coming downwards. You can now place your trade. Okay, that's it for today.